A day at the Microsoft Technology Center is not a presentation, but a conversation. And the business requirements that we draw from customers when they're here helps us craft a very custom solution that we wouldn't be able to do otherwise. A smartboard is our primary medium of communication in an architecture design session. When a customer sees a smartboard for the first time, it's a magical moment. They instantly grasp what is possible through digital communication technologies and collaboration on a Microsoft platform.
We spend a lot of time really understanding what sort of business objectives are they looking for and drawing that out on the board. It's all about what the current technology set is. So where their users located, what's the network like? What's their bandwidth to all these locations like?
And following that, we'll sort of dive into the actual design of what they're trying to do. So that will be us architecting out something, maybe drawing a system design.
As we go through this together, we're reaching all these little decisions along the way. And by using the smartboard, it allows us to capture all those decision points and the pros and cons.
The way these smartboards really facilitate the discussion is it allows us to make sure that we address all the concerns because the discourse can be very free. It's basically an unlimited size surface for me to write on. So there's no longer this whole concern of, is this really important for me to write down? And you just write everything down. As a facilitator, it's really allowed me to bring a much more collaborative environment to the kinds of design sessions we have.
For those who can't attend here in person, we leverage the smartboard and our Link video conferencing technologies to include customers who can't attend here in person.
It's the same experience, only remotely.
There's a moment where you pick up a smartboard pen and you realize that everything is different. You now have a digital interface. You now have a pen that helps you draw anything. We have an infinite level of notations and diagramming and concepts and stories that we can tell in this digital environment. And we can wrap this conversation up and we can send it home with the customer so they can take concept for concept back to the team that couldn't attend here previously.
We want customers to feel really good about the information they're getting because they're going to get ideas about their technology and their solutions, right? And so smartboards really facilitate that.
If we can release preconceptions that customers bring with them about technology and about how their company can operate, then we can help the customer take a Microsoft technology-based solution and reach the global marketplace in ways they could never have envisioned before.